But is it right away illegal that notice of disallowance?
Hindi naman. Notice niya eh.
Mm.
Parang sinabing, o ikaw Rosbert, inaakusahan ka ng rape. Akusado pa lang yan. Diba?
Accused.
O, the accused is perceived or must be deemed innocent until proven
Guilty.
otherwise.
Yeah.
So ngayon, kung may finality na, sabi ni Supreme Court, even sa Supreme Court nga, you are still given an opportunity to file a motion for reconsideration. Kasi baka may hindi nakita, sa pananaliksik, baka may hindi nakita. So, pwede ka pa rin mag-file ng motion for reconsideration. And after, again, hindi pa rin, pwede ka pa rin mag-appeal. So, the last time ng Supreme Court ay sabihin, file na lang decision nito. Hindi pa rin, hindi talaga. May bad faith ka talaga, may malisya ka talaga, may fraud ka talaga, may negligence ka talaga na nagawa tungkol sa pundo ng confidential fund na yan. May yun na, i-execute na ng sheriff, di ba? But until then, ay walang finality, di ba?
Yeah.
At tingnan mo nga si Dilema, di ba? Nakita na, nandoon, kumakanta sa loob ng Bilibid Prison, nagpa-party. At the end of the day, when the Supreme Court said wala siyang kasalanan. O di ba? Wala.
Released.
So released, she's released. So, how can you say na illegal na agad yung ginagawa ni Vice President? So, parang mali naman siguro yun.